Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmale bringing to you the news antiphons from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister Sangma addresses muster roll workers in Tumalong. KHADC abolishes kilo deduction following market regulation bill approval. Meghalaya Women Empowerment Committee analyzes crime in West Khasi Hills District. And Health Department organizes general awareness program on HIV/AIDS. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addressed the 8th General Meeting of the All Jaintia Muster Roll Workers and Labour Union in Tumalong, West Jaintia Hills today. He expressed gratitude for the association's support and commitment to the welfare of muster roll workers and midday meal cooks. The Chief Minister acknowledged the challenges of untimely salary payments and highlighted the government's effort to address this issue, emphasizing better coordination among departments. He stressed the need to prioritize citizens' welfare over political interests and assured the audience that the government is dedicated to resolving long-standing problems. Deputy Chief Minister Snyao Bhalangdhar also attended the event, signifying the government's unity in addressing workforce issues. The Chief Minister also honoured a meritorious student, child of a muster roll worker, for academic excellence.
To be part of this Foundation Day celebration that you are having. To tell you that as your Chief Minister and as a government, we are always there with you. I remember 2018, when the election got over. I did not contest the election that time. I never expected that our government will be formed. The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the muster rolls. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the All Jaintia Muster Rolls Workers and Labour Union, K. L. Pariat. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the muster roll, about the problems of the cooks. We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years, even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence, when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Master Bhalangdhar, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the muster rolls their salary on time? If all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the muster rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out, but the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems, but I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master roles today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation to take care of the expenditures that you have.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC has taken a significant step towards benefiting local farmers. Today, Grace Kharpuri, Executive Member of Trade, announced that there will no longer be kilo deductions on the agricultural produce into all markets within the territories under the Council's jurisdiction. This landmark decision comes after the Governor's approval of the Market Regulation Bill, which has now been enacted into law. The KHADC will now have the authority to set prices for agricultural products produced within its jurisdiction, giving a boost to local farmers and traders. Grace Kharpuri addressed the media today, highlighting the importance of this decision for the local agricultural community. The abolition of kilo deductions is expected to provide fairer compensation for farmers and encourage agricultural growth within the region.
Khod ya kani ka press conference kadi halor ka ba ulat kecela ula ai ka jing menjur ya kani ka amendment bill jong ka market act ka bangi lapas hapo ka house how arhajar arpaway bat bangi dang yo ai ka jing menjur kadi ha ka khat platarik jong mo ka jing menjur kadi 26 July 26 jong ubnai July te nagaliang ka jong ka department bat nga kum ka em in charge jong ka market nga dap da ka jing kamen namar ba kani ka amendment act abang no amendment act kam de shu ka bill kalong ka bakong san ha ka banirap na banta ki nongrep kumbapi layui na kapor sha kapor ki nongrep ki jongi ki ot ki nam habede bat ki marrep ki jongki haka jingsha knyot ben ya kador haka jingsha knyot ben khamtam e kini kani ka jingot kilo dia kani ka at kani rap shishay kinong rap haba yade mo hayo hat haba yade yathit yaki marrap ringkat bat ya ki jingri jingdo kamdi tang ki marrap kani ka at ka kren ru ya ki jingri te kani ka long ka main objective jong kani ka amendment act te bat ka benda jong kani ka amendment act ru kalong ba man kiyo haman kiyo kinong penyat mo kum kini ki market managing committee kide banbu kerpang ya kini ka farmers consumer market area na benta ka jinya di ya thiet ya ki marrep bat ya kini ki jingri ki livestock begitu mo dia kini rap shipun ba but haman kiyo ru kindon kini ki sub committee bagi khot kata marketing solicitation committee ka managing ka market managing committee can constitute ya kini ki sub committee but hakani ka sub committee kindon kinlong de khot ru kinde ki nong die mot ki nong rep but kini ki mahajan te but ka market managing committee can constitute ya kani ka committee but hadien bakiladep constitute ya kani ka committee pan kinyo ya ka jing menjur na ka executive committee dia sakawai dia ka banirap ya kinong rep kani ka amendment act kadi halor kador bahakani ka act kala krenshai ba ka district council ka executive committee kala banbu ya kani ka ya ki rates minimum support price kani ka banirap shibon ya kinong rep Ti bat sa kaway ru kaba kani ka kalakran bun ke mo kalong kaba kaba kaway pa kaway ka kendon kaba lese kaba nakaliang ka jongaru unrengan chu ai tang ki main objectives jong ka habede bat kini ki jhur ki chap kinu ki mo ki mar kaba ki wanra ayoru kani ka committee ka don ka bor kaba kan check makinum don any adulteration, no food adulteration in the market. Di kumi ki jingri kini ki livestock ru kadon kabor kabakan check. Ba kide bandon ka certificate kabala issue na ka veterinary ba kini ki livestock kini ki jingri jingrup ki banwanra hayo kilong ki bibit ki balong babit ba ki pat ba kin consume. Di namar ba kadon kabor kabaka kan khang sandon ru bat kinum la bandi ru. Di kita kini ke berhak ba kani ka amendment act kan trekam. Di kam tame haba PUE ba ha kini ki kundiat banai beladap. Kadang ka dikiwin habede bat ka 8 kilo. Di hang ni ru ngila ye besu habede bat ka 8 kilo ba ka 8 kilo kan num dan shu. Di kani ka akla kren shai ban num la shu ban 8 kilo. But hayo ru kandon kani ka bakin na ban kmi ban pet habede bat kini ki non tribals ru no ki non tribals ru kinum la ban khayi claim ka trading license but kani ka committee kan kmi kan pet lu di kita ke berkhai but ka wei ru la da ka don ka jing pair jing mut happening ki non rep bat ki non khayi ru kani ka sub committee kala ban penbet ya kita ki jing mo bat kala ru ban belakam ye ki babun ba ki nong rep ki ama di kejingya te ka sub committee kani ka committee ru kala ban perking habede bat kani ka mo ka bang nila ya kren na kapor sa kapor ya kani ka khayi binami te ban penduna ban pendu sendan ya kani ka khayi binami kani ka sub committee kade bandan ka register ka babya but hakata ka register kan hab ban budien ban record ya ki try dukan but ye ki nong shangwai brokhan but ban pha shaka executive committee shaka EC na shaka department jong ka market ba kin pha man kasnem ba ngiru nginang ni ngin budien bat ngin pet na marbale ba kani ka khayi benami kala jele shaka palan di kita ki ba kani ka sub committee kadon kabor but hot sakaway de ka ba kongsan de ka ba nang ne shakmat ru kidukan khalai mo kidukan khalai kidukan kiat ki hab ban pan shok NOC na ka executive committee but tribals but non tribals di kidukan ki bladon lupa ti mot kinchuan ban regularize ka ya ki ayu license ki jongki ya ka NOC jongki but kawai ka bakongsan ka bangi ui hakini kisni bala jale shisha ka jala ka jongi kede uni drugs ti bat yo drugs ru hakani ka amendment act la khang parsha but anum sha ban di drugs ban khayi drugs ne hadu yo ganjaru hakino kino ki yo kihan baladalla ba don ba penken ko mi kitaro kala don ka penalty ka ban penalize ru yo no ba penken hadu shpo haja ka kala kran shai ba de hadu shpo haja te tang kataru kani ka amendment act kala don yeki kala bu lupa ba kinu ba penken yeki kendon jong kani ka ati ba hadu ya ka management kani.
In a significant move towards promoting women's safety and empowerment, the Women Empowerment Committee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, led by MLA Santa Mary Shilla from Saipung Sutanga, took a proactive step on August 17. The committee embarked on a visit to Noston to assess and document the prevalence of crimes against women and children in the district. The pivotal meeting was held at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office in West Khasi Hills district with Santa Mary Shilla at the helm. The assembly saw the presence of 5 dedicated MLAs, all members of the committee, alongside DC Garrett LSN Dykes, SP Bikram D. Marak and various other government officials from the district. Addressing the media after the meeting, Santa Mary Shilla shared that the purpose of the committee's visit was to compile accurate records of crimes against women and children within the district. This initiative aims to establish a comprehensive database that will enable the committee to monitor and effectively combat these crimes, reinforcing their commitment to women's safety and empowerment.
West Khasi Hills from the Committee of the Women Empowerment. Ni wan namta kini ke case bon kini ke case case. Then issue one ban in brief English from the status of the cases because la long bala slam so we I mean there are so many cases in la ban in depth. So there are so many things that we wa ban ban solve ban snap na kini officers jongi te namta kata te wan chane nam ban review ye boro ki women cases ki in social welfare na jonka health department all the departments ni wan namta ni kumga committee ni kwa ban ong ba ni kwa ban follow up ye kini ki jet case ba kamjia ye kini kamtam kan ba Shakamat ni Waban Buddin, especially with the district whole area. Waban Buddin ba kini di case ba kini laban le ki awareness program habaro lian ke school. Kino hikaru ki laban program ke school. Ki police department ru ki laban le hakalen ki villages mo ki nong kondong ba ting kane social media ru comes new. Takadaw ni Waban request ki ni baro department ba kide ban le ka awareness program kalen ka villages baro patient don ka bala lab ro don ki bala investigate ro it's still going on kanang ya hidmuntan ni we are trying to that's what we want to make mud ban ong ki ban speed up kino kamtam kini kan the ba ang khaluk ki means ki children mo ilong ba ki kamut ba ki ano say kimla araban le kloy yan kani ka case takadaw ba iwan ban ong iki ban pendep no kani case because there will be a little bit of harassment nam ta kilo ang kwa ban ong iki ni ki government to the especially but the police department ban le kloy ban case ban close no so that these people also will be increased problem ni kata ni mo ka bahe yung ba yosyo ba yung kito ba this is the second district ba buon ki case pokso nakadaw ki ini one naman tagi one particular case from I think Umsao village ang takatwa case ni one so ki buon ni we are trying to improve so many category different department banla kita
On to August 17, the State Health Department organized an enlightening awareness program on HIV/AIDS in the vicinity of the State Central Library, Shillong. The event aimed to educate the public about the perils of HIV/AIDS and foster understanding and empathy towards those affected. The program featured an array of engaging activities including face painting, short dramas and beatboxing, which drew the attention of the attendees. Dr. B. De Cruz, the project director of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, addressed the gathering and highlighted the importance of such initiatives. She emphasized the need for individuals, particularly the youth afflicted by this condition, to confront their illness openly rather than shying away. Dr. De Cruz also underscored the significance of steering clear of drug and substance abuse among the younger generation. The event witnessed active participation from students representing various colleges in Shillong.
I propose you sophomore, popularly called skin cancer, at your service. I was ready to crawl all over your skin, but something kept me stopping.
Howdy, Seager's here. Where's the party? I'm ready to be a little boogie.
right?
Yes!
I'm not giving you a chance to enter my world. Oh, I can see so clearly now. You guys were waiting for the party.
Yes!
Sorry to disappoint you. The party never happened. There's no party here.
We saw all this.
Now, I think we shouldn't be too hard on our juniors, right? Off you go, John. We're busy here. Hey, I heard something about the boss. Oh, what's new with the old booger? Every time I see his face, I remember writing Maroon 5 lyrics on my final exam. Now I'm aging. Like they're Hey, good? Let me take you home, big guy.
I think I'll just call Sam.
Dude, they left, alright? You don't look so well. Let me take you.
Cái youth festival ni pelong ya bat ki colleges jong kani ka for East Khas Hills district nga ada pelong kum kani ka ju hi ka festival nak benta ka Giant Hills East Jantia bat West Jantia ngi pelong clear yat ke benta ka ni ngi long tang benta ki college ki baha po ka East Khas Hills ngi pelong ru kum kani ka ju hi ha po Ribhoi district kum ju ru ya ka West Khasi bat ya ki Garo Hills region Thì khi bà job nang ni nak ni ka district level can compete ka state level. Ki bà job ka state level ba dia can select ka national level. Ka jingmut jingi ti ka kalong bai bangin ban ai ka jing shai ka jing song thu ka bakham ha nak benta ka ni ka jing pang HIV AIDS mong yong ka awareness nak benta ki khna samla. Namar ba hingi pet kot kom ka yune long kum ba arpusan nak shispa mo yang 25% jong ka population jong ka general population ki dei ki kena samla pedeng jong ka khatsan hado at naisnem ti na pedeng kita pedia ningi pet bade kam ka HIV AIDS kamot ba life 1% ki dei ki ba ki kham yo ai kan ki jingpang pedeng jong ki kena samla tingi so thu ba kini kena samla ki kham long address kham long khamma mo ban goi kan jingpang HIV AIDS kide gi kena samla di activities bengi le mo gin tang sa tu lagi bakin le ka national level kebaning ko ngade ka marathon koi bede ka drama lan ka skit mo koi bede ngi penlong gi ka quiz competition bat ka reels kita like south lagi bakin le ka you te bede bangin yo khambon gi kena bakin kham sultanat gi kena samla tingi penlong skill way ke activities kom gini bangi yang face painting pendan kini ke exports b-boying okay but kiri ruam naki rock bands also we just open like kanika stage nam taki kena college baking khat deki rock band ki bla expert pa khat bena ki college ting chu open ka platform ta jong ki kena bakin peni ki talent jong ki mo baki kedan kenang bakin nang kham kiu sekhmat ke matwan
Madam sudah ni itu masih orang sedih. Kanta mikna kuliah minta namar ni gini ke jinjil lagi dong rak saya minta kanta makan di kasar Shillong ini. Dan ban orang iki makin lat kena kom nak ini ke jin di buat.
Ka message bang ko ban ong ti ka long ba ikena ing ben long positive mo ki able over kilia ki bakin pusang bakin learn bakin song thu ban shine na ki brio ki ba bala ban ai ki kajing tip ka ba biang ke teng mung yong ki learn from ke source ka bam biang kumta teng ki shu sha pressure mo dan ki peer pressure ik ta ki lam bakla ke ni khna tin rei pe de la da ki khna samna even tu ba ki hapo school hapo college ki nai kai ki long ki nong lam jo ki kumjur ru kumangi ro na po Meghalaya control society ni dan ki counselor but ki tila de ki don nu ki problem ki la bani kendu iki ki ICT centers ni kambo ni kan ni jing pang HIV bangin dia compare but ka India hi mungin ong ka national average jong kan ni jing pang HIV ni ong ka don 0.21% mo ti ngi pe dia kata ka national average ti ha Meghalaya pe dia ngi kambon banyak ka national average ti ni don at 0.39% ng kambon banyak ka national average ti kapan pau hi bahajan laju ni kambon but kadau ba kambon ni hajan laju ni kwe ni kam syam kam shwa ka kambon da ni ka sexual roots ing ba ka jing song kha nan ong no da ka jing song kha pathar mo lam da pendan kam ni ki laju ngada ti menta pedeng ila hakani snam ba menta pedeng I ba da jing kiu ka kambon na kini ki brio ki bapendan kam de ki jo ki syringe mo haka bagi inject ki drugs si kata kamot kambon haki IDUs population jadi ka jing bonjong ka HIV hakani snam ba menta kadang ipenlong ni ki awareness kawai naga objective juga ni ka awareness bagi penlong kum kani ka youth fest tu kadi bangin kintu ki na samla bakin pediang ki mungkin so kani ki ka modes of transmission kum no kani ka jing pangkarung ti lagi so kata ki dan kam bakin tieng dan kam bakin chatting bakia kendu kini ki bri bayo HIV baki kila bakin ya krem batki kila ya long parlok batki kila makin dei da ka bay kublai kiti da ka kamdan bikia ba mi di lang kamdan kum kita yen ki banya ban tieng nam ta bani kendu iki ti ban bakin diang iki ha po ka society ke ha ka imlang salang mo
Coba tak kasih.
Do habangawan sa kanika program nakabanta kanika HIV nga layo sibun hakijikay kung ki saujat ki kirukom kumno ba kanika HIV ka sa kriyang na iwe-ibreu tenang ta ba ngayo kay ba tum ki breu teng ni ban priya helo ni ban po bayo ay Jepang ndrey day ban iwan priang ya ibreu ni so thank you bye.
In a distressing situation, the residents of Ksek Kotlong village have been grappling with a prolonged power outage of more than 2 weeks due to a malfunctioning transformer. The residents are left without electricity, causing significant inconvenience and disruption to daily life. The Rikhasi Sepni Federation RKSF has stepped forward to address the critical issue. In a letter addressed to the Executive Engineer of MEECL Nongstoin, Division Nongstoin, the President of RKSF Maukordor Khas Imli and Secretary Playbok Firstborn Hujan have earnestly requested immediate attention and action to rectify the malfunctioning transformer at Ksek Kotlong village. The absence of electricity has had a profound impact on the village's routines, affecting essential services such as communication, healthcare and education. As the heart of the village remains in darkness, the community is hopeful that swift measures will be taken to restore the power supply promptly.
Nakaliang ka jongi ka Rikhasi Sepni Federation kaba ngila wan hangi banbu iki atli city iba ngila ya ka jing jia hapo ini ki chnong ki jongi ka wege de ko jaido ya ka ba hadu menta kim sem pat laker ya ka tu ka area jong tu ka transformer ke ngila men saw ha khantam ka de hapo jan jong ka school dan nak ka jongi banbu hangi ka city ban ai saki ba ki de ban le bu no rak no ko no hapo jong ming payo menta ki ban dep no ban ker no ya kini ka fans ya kani ka transformer khnang ba kanlat ji men saw ni ba shibun ba hapo nongstoin jongi kambe ta hapo jaido hamo thar kum ju yi ngala ai complain bagi den ki bi chaka ki bani ba ki man saw bhala shubu kum to ya ki leki transformer tenek leng na jongi wan bo khnang asti hang ne khnang ba kim tip ya kita ki chaka ki ba kim pat ker hadu mentai transformer tenek leng jongi istonach ke de ai ki isa engineer mentai ila kubur ya ka bakila maki kimbat hadu bentak kimbat salakir te kila ong hi ba lasai kasi la sisi kin lek no ban ker no gini area knang ba kin lek ni cuma sau de ki pat ba basa ka wei pat ki bangi labu hangne ka dei na ta ka sek olong ba hadu bentak kim chum la chu te ni sokman chika de e mara poi hangne na kaleng ka jongki kila ong ba lapum nu menta pa ya dan next week kin lek bu no ya ka machine hapok sek olong knang ba kin yo lai jang hang tu ki area gitu bat ni tu ye pi ka long ba kamslen kun ka long namar bakin ba lawan rai ka machine hangne ki hapan tes swa hadin ba tes pa de na kaleng ka jongki ru ki hapan pek na long ka machine ki sara hak sek olong pingi so tu sai ba hak sek olong ru menta ta yo dan tayo ban wan ki la yo ya ka lai hang te hapok sek olong bat ka ju kunju kaleng ka jongi ka seng ni la ai ya ki ong ba ha kini gisnong ki kom sem yo la arta yo la teo mata ki deban weng no shwa ki pilai tengi sokmen nak yang engineer atau pasang engineer la da kubur kata apa ya kini ki jaka ki bom sem la yo la ki ata yo la teo mata tenag leng jong ki ru mata ki la kubur bakin weng no ya kini ki pilai ya kini tayo bala det bakin ai bet ya ubnai ki bakabak la ki yo.
In a recent development, the New Therapeutic Council HYC Sumer unit intercepted a group of migrant workers on August 16. The group, consisting of 3 sumo vehicles, was apprehended while attempting to enter Shillong, reportedly with the intention of working as pandal makers at a function. According to Gabriel Carlingdo, the General Secretary of HYC Sumer unit, the interception took place around 10 p.m. The union members discovered that the occupants of the sumo vehicles numbered around 30, all of whom were identified as migrants aiming to enter Shillong for employment purposes. Carlingdo further elaborated that the migrants lacked the necessary documentation, including their electoral photo identity cards. As a result, the union decided to deny them entry into Shillong and instructed them to return to their point of origin.
Arajar pelai HYC Umiam Circle dan di Bangla di Balalaj bagi klaim dan kota gila yale sistem Android ban gila yo kumbas ban anda gila pan ke kota keslah dari klaim.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.